alaikum, my dear students. This is your teacher, Miss Hifza. I am from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Johar campus. I hope you all are fine and stay at home and safe. Today I welcome you all in the recorded lecture of science. The chapter that we are going to study today is changes in matter. But before starting our lecture, we all know should start it with the name of Allah. Let us recite the dua. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. ए मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफ़ा फरमा. ए मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफ़ा फरमा. ए मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफ़ा फरमा. Now, what is matter? The basic definition. Matter is anything that takes up space. What are the states of matter? There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. What is a solid? A solid is the simplest state of matter. A solid has these three main properties. It has a definite shape, it has a definite mass, it has a definite volume. A solid will always look the same and take up the same amount of space. Here are the examples of solid as you can see in the picture of colored pencils, basketball and chair. Now what is a liquid? A liquid is the most fluid and ever-changing state of matter. A liquid has these three main properties. It does not have a definite shape, it has a definite mass, it has a definite volume. A liquid will always take up the same amount of space and take the shapes of its container. Here is the examples of liquid as you can see in the picture of orange juice and the picture of cough syrup and the picture of salad dressing. Now what is a gas? A gas is the most complex and difficult to understand state of matter. A gas has these three main properties. It does not have a definite shape, it does not have a definite mass, it does not have a definite volume. A gas does not always weigh the same or take up the same amount of space. However, like a liquid, a gas will always take the shape of its container, no matter the size or shape of that container. Here are the examples of gases: smoke and air. Now move towards effects of temperature on the arrangement of particles. Effect of increase in temperature. When heat is supplied, the particles of solid gain energy and they start to vibrate and rotate quickly. In liquid, the particles move faster and away from one another, while in gases they move far away from each other and collide frequently with one another and with the wall of container. This is the reason things expand on heating. Effect of decreasing temperature. On decreasing the temperature, the movement of particles is reduced and the distance between them decreases. They come close to one another. This is the reason things contract on cooling, as you can see in the picture. Now process that brings change in the states of matter. Melting. The change of solid into liquid due to increase in temperature is known as melting. Example, ice to water. Now freezing. The change of liquid into solid because of decrease in temperature is called freezing. Example, water to ice. Third one is boiling. It is a process in which liquid changes into a gas state. Example, liquid to gas. Fourth one is evaporation. It is when a liquid turns into gas and goes up into the air. Fifth one is condensation. The change of vapors into water because of decrease in temperature is called condensation. Condensation is the reverse process of evaporation. Now separating mixtures. Sieving. Used to separate a mixture which is made up of solid particles of different sizes by passing it through a sieve or sieve containing tiny holes. Examples: sand and gravel can be separated by sieving, as you can see in the picture. How to separate sand and gravel? Separating mixtures. Second method is filtering. Filtration is good for separating an insoluble solid from a liquid. An insoluble substance is one that does not dissolve. Sand, for example, can be separated from a mixture of a sand and water using filtration. That's because sand does not dissolve in water. So, you can see a method of separation in this picture. Third method is evaporating. Evaporation is a process in which a liquid changes into gaseous from on heating, allowing the liquid to evaporate, leaving the soluble solid behind. Now, changing shape of matter. There are many kinds of changes where you simply change the shape of a substance. For example, hammering a piece of metal, cutting a piece of wood or paper, stretching an elastic band. As you can see in the picture, how the shape of the elastic band can change when we are going to stretching it. Thank you.